Last time, we talked about how to use your iPhone to make full video lessons. This time, we're going to use an Android phone. That's what we're going to talk about today. Hi there! Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If this is the first video that you're watching from my channel, I make educational and motivational content. So if you don't want to miss any of my new uploads, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell icon. This video in particular is part of our Learn to Teach series in which I try to help you create more educational content online. This is targeted specifically sa mga teachers at educators who are now being strongly encouraged / forced to migrate yung kanilang offline teaching to online teaching. Hopefully, makatulong tong series na ito sa inyo. Last time, we talked about how you can use your iPhone to film a full video lesson. And I listened to your call. You want me to do an Android version of it. And that's why we're using yung aking Asus na phone to film yung lessons this time. And I'm going to give you a behind-the-scenes look doon sa buong proseso. Pero what we're going to focus on first would be yung kind ng Android phone ninyo. Na ang main na kailangan natin would be something na may camera. Yung camera kasi is something that you can use for your talking head shots, or actually, you can use this as a complete tool kasi pwede nyo na lang na i-point siya doon sa inyong sinusulat or sa inyong presentation or sa inyong papel if you want to discuss it like that. So, basta may camera na smartphone, good to go ka na. There are also apps that would be helpful. The links to the apps or the list will be in the description box sa baba. Pero ang pinaka-main natin kailangan is yung screen recorder app. And then, of course, your PowerPoint app. I spent yung aking time earlier doon sa paggawa ng PowerPoint presentation. Nakalagay na rin pati yung animations ng buong presentation na yon para itatap ko na lang siya kapag gagamitin ko na yung phone ko for yung screen recorder na option. Now, when it comes to editing software naman doon sa inyong videos, again, if medyo hindi pa natin gamay yung pag-edit ng videos, a quick fix will be for you to record the entire thing in one run. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Pwede mo i-record ng tuloy-tuloy na walang pagkakamali, tapos yung mismong file na yon, yun na yung direkta mong i-upload. And when I started making videos sa YouTube, honestly, there was a time na ganun lang yung ginagawa ko. So, para minimal lang editing, kapag nagkamali ako, sinisimulan ko lang from the top, and then i-run through ko din siya uli. It's also a good way for you to practice para mawala yung anxiety ninyo sa pag-film sa harap ng camera. Kasi, kunyari, yung isang video lecture, sa first run mo, lalo na kapag unsure ka or kinakabahan ka nung araw na yun, pwede yung first run mo hindi masyadong maganda. And if hindi ka satisfied, you can start from the top. And then this time, dahil kahit papano ay na-run through mo na yung buong speech mo, mas confident ka na ngayon at mas smooth na yung iyong talk. Ganun yung benefit nung one run take na tinatawag ko. Ibig sabihin nun, pag-click mo ng record, tuloy-tuloy na yon, at kung ano yung nasabi mo, yun na yon, i-upload mo na siya directly. Now again, I'm going to walk you through yung ginamit kong mga apps, paano ko yun ginawa ngayon dito sa lesson na to. And in order for me to do that, una, i-film muna natin yung intro. Okay? Hi there! Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Now that we're done with the intro, again, ang pinaka-guidelines natin would be yung quality ng video that you're taking. Ang madalas na ginagamit na ngayon is yung 1080p na HD or high definition. Pero kung hindi kaya ng memory ng phone or hindi yun kaya ng inyong camera, okay lang din na mas mababa pa doon. A thing din to remember would be yung 16:9 na aspect ratio na tinatawag. Yung mga videos right now, like this one here, itong framing na ito, 16:9 yan. 16:9 din ang marami sa mga cellphone na nakapahalang or naka-landscape. At ito yung ginagamit na ratio these days. Dati, 4:3 yan. Good note lang din na gamitin yung 16:9 na ratio kapag ginagawa niyo ang inyong PowerPoint presentation para wala nung itim na bars sa gilid. Okay? More about yung PowerPoint presentation in the following videos. Marami pa akong i-discuss sa series na ito, like yun, paano gumawa ng PowerPoint presentation, paano i-maximize yung mga animations, at pati na rin paano gumawa ng mga worksheets. So again, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe na and hit that bell. Kung may mga requests din kayo, comment din sa baba para masagot namin at ma-address namin yan dito sa session na ito. Okay? Now, isa-switch ko na dun sa back view para makita niyo yung screen, and I'll see you in a bit.
Okay, so ang first step natin would be to open yung email. Ayan. So, ito yung email that I sent to myself dun sa aking computer. Tapos ida-download ko lang siya. So, ang next na thing would be to make sure na meron kang PowerPoint reader at the very least sa yung Android phone. Ang ginagamit ko here is yung official na PowerPoint na app. So, from here, you would see na yung dinownload mo. You can actually change yung mga folders depende sa kung saan siya nakasave sa yung device. Dito, nasa download folder siya. So, ito yon, Time Idioms Part 2. I-open ko lang siya. And then, i-presenters view natin. I-play natin yung slideshow. Like this. Now, ang maganda dito sa app na to is you can also draw on it. So, dito sa taas, meron siyang pen tool. So, just in case na meron ka mga kailangan i-outline or i-point out, pwede mo rin siyang i-draw on top of yung presentation. Medyo mas tricky lang kasi, syempre, you'll have to use your fingers. So, kung meron kang stylus or something like that, this will be easier for you. Now, sa akin, I try na kung nagpo-phone na setup lang ako, yung buong PowerPoint can stand on itself. So, yung mga animation and everything, standalone siya. Hindi ko na kailangan na drawingan sa ibabaw. So, depende na yun doon sa kung paano mo siya ginawa sa yung computer. And now that you have that, nakakasa na siya, pwede mo na ngayon na ilipat doon sa screen recorder na app. Sa Android phone na to, this is an Asus phone. Ang dinownload ko na screen recorder is screen recorder lang. Yun lang yung pangalan ng app, screen recorder. I-link ko na lang din sa description box sa baba. Pero ganito yung interface niya. And you just have to tap on itong symbol ng camera right here. Tapos, itatap mo uli ito, yung camera na icon. Tapos nakalagay dito, screen recorder will start capturing everything that's displayed on your screen. And then you can tap start now. Tapos bubuksan mo ngayon yung iyong PowerPoint presentation. So again, quick reminder, before you start filming, mas maganda kung ikaw ay naka-airplane mode. Okay? Para lang hindi magiging abala yung mga notifications sa inyo. Or at the very least, turn off yung iyong Wi-Fi sa iyong device para hindi lumabas yung mga notifications sa iyong screen habang nag-film ka. Now that you have that, you can now start recording. Now, importante again, just a quick little tip, na kung meron kang option na meron ka nung mic pa nakasama nung phone or any other recording device, mas maganda if you use it versus yung sound lang nung background. I will show you the difference, okay? So, etong first part, i-film ko nang hindi nakasaksak yung mic. So, ito with all the background noise and white noise. Pag ganito ko siya film, ganito yung tunog. Hi there! Welcome sa part 2 ng ating series on time idioms. And now that we discussed yung part 1 last time, ito naman yung new set ng mga idioms na pag-uusapan natin ngayon. That was without the microphone. Now, try natin kung may microphone. So, sasaksak ko lang siya dito. Alright, so ito yung part 2 ng ating lecture on time idioms. Last time we talked about yung first set of 7. If you haven't seen the video lesson nun, ilink ko na lang din sa taas sa i-button if you're watching this on YouTube. So now that we have the video recording, ang next na nating step would be to edit it. Pero again, if you don't need to edit it kasi maganda yung pagkakashoot mo at hindi mo naman kailangan lagyan ng talking head yung video, from this, doon sa inyong gallery at folders, pwede mo na itong i-directang i-upload itong file na ito. Okay? You can use yung share button para mailagay siya sa Facebook or pwede ka rin pumunta sa YouTube app mo para i-upload itong same file na yan. Now, kung gusto mong i-edit or nagkamali ka kaya may kailangan kang putulin, you can use mobile editing apps like itong KineMaster. I see a lot of people use this. Ang thing lang with this is, kung hindi ka naka-paid version, may watermark siya sa taas. If your students don't mind, hindi naman kailangan na magbayad ka dito. Ano to I think 190 or something per month. Pero meron din siyang 7-day trial that you can try to use. Again, depende na yan sa kung ano yung kaya. Again, the aspect ratio here, yung first thing na i-click would be 16:9 kung ikaw ay mag-upload sa video format. Kung ikaw sa Instagram, 1:1. Kung story naman, 9:16. Maganda kasi nakalagay siya na per size, parang may sample. Now, pagpahalang yung recording mo, 16:9 dapat. So, now we're just going to find yung na-record natin na video. Ito, nasa screen recorder folder siya. Ayan. So, ito na yung file. Again, from here, pwede ka nang mag-clip, Pwede mo na siyang i-trim, pwede mo na siyang ilipat-lipat, pwede mo lagyan ng audio or layers or anything like that. Feel free to play around with your app if you want more features like that. Pero kung ang goal natin is quantity, ibig sabihin we want to churn out as much content as possible, hindi naman kailangan ng mga complicated na transitions. If anything, it takes away from the experience. Kung malinaw naman yung PowerPoint mo, hindi mo na kailangan lagyan ng ganon. And then after that, you can just save this, export it. Yan, pwede mong ilagay kung ano yung quality ng video. Ang maganda dito sa app na to, mayroon siyang parang range ng low to high. So, makikita mo rin dito yung bitrate tsaka yung file size. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kung i-high ko siya na setting at yung frame rate ko ay 30, tapos ano siya, Full HD, 1080p, ang file size ay magiging 3211 MB. Pero kung gusto kong mas mababa, pwede siyang mas mababa dyan. So, makikita mo dito kung ilan yung free na gigabytes ng iyong device, and then makikita mo kung ilan yung kakainin ng bagong file. So, ang akin, kung meron kayong limited storage, pwede kang mag-transfer, magbura muna ng files to make sure na okay naman yung kakalabasan ng video. But again, kung hindi rin kayo naka-plug in sa fiber internet or walang wifi sa bahay, pwede kang mag-start with just, 24 na frame rate. Ito na nakalagay cinema. Tapos kahit medium quality lang ng video. Hindi mo na kailangan ng sobrang high. Kasi maraming space na kakainin niya. So, pwede na yan. 1,785 MB instead of yung 3,000 kanina. And then, i-export mo lang siya. So, pag tinap mo yung export, i-export niya ngayon yung file na ginawa mo with all the edits. This can take some time. Make sure na yung battery ninyo ay kaya siyang i-handle. And then, yung bagong file na yun naman ang i-upload mo ngayon.
Alright, so if gusto nyo makita yung resulta nitong filming day na ito, you can click right here sa I button to watch yung ating Time Idioms Part 2 video. And again, there will be more coming up. If you have your own questions or requests, comment nyo na lang din sa baba. I also have a Facebook group kami ni Dr. Esperanza or ni Number Bender on YouTube. You can join that. That is yung Pinoy YouTube Edu Creators na group. It's a great way for us to meet each other, share yung mga best practices, and grow as a community of YouTube educators here in the Philippines. The link will be in the description box din sa baba. Okay? And now that that's done, we'll be making more naman dito. And if you haven't seen the other videos sa playlist na ito, yung ating Learn to Teach na series, i-click nyo na lang din sa taas or sa description box sa baba para makita nyo yung entire playlist. We talked about different topics already. Okay? Thanks guys, and again, if you want to reach out to me directly, get reviewers, join the online or live review events, or may mga questions kayo na mas personal ang dating, you can go to www.facebook.com/Team Lyqa for more. And I hope to see you there and talk to you there. Thanks guys for watching. As we always say sa channel na to, never stop learning. At kung kayo teacher, sana never stop teaching din. Aja, kaya niyan. I'll see you in the next video, and bye for now.